time.
Some of the boys at Cheyenne Middle School in Edmond are cuckoo for the cube. Yes, while boys must have toys, these youngsters think the Rubik's Cube is the cat's pajamas. So, is it hip to be square?
Well, I was really bored, and I thought, hey, I want to solve a Rubik's Cube. Nobody can do that, so I decided I'd try and solve it and be able to do it in front of my friends.
The world record time to solving the cube crisis is 9.7 seconds. How fast can these boys do it?
1:45.
My fastest time is 1:15 seconds.
So I'll just do one really quick. And it's back to its original form.
Smart boys. Let's see it.